In this video, I'm going to show you how to change logo in Framer. Now, currently, I'm inside one of the templates over here inside Framer, and I'm going to show you how to change, for example, this logo up top over here. So the first thing you should do is actually double click over here so it opens up the layers, and then you want to double click this again. And as you can see, you can then double click this again, which will focus only on the logo. Now, what this will do here on the right hand side or on the left hand side, as you can see, you can go ahead and then go inside to where you can find the logo. Usually it's within the nav bar, but if you just keep on clicking, you'll be able to find it as well. So if I just go ahead and close this, as you can see, there's going to be a bunch of different menus you can then open, and make sure you find the logo block. Now, if you're not familiar with that, the easiest way to do it is just basically by going ahead and double clicking until you actually come to the logo part, and then you want to either double click it so this pop-up appears, or you could go to the right hand side over here where you can see there's a bunch of different things under styles, and you can click on where it says fill an image. Click on that, select image up top, and if you just choose the image over here from your computer, you can go ahead and scroll and find your image. For example, I'm going to select this logo of my channel over here, and I'm going to click on open. It's going to cut out a bit because it wasn't made for that, but just ignore that. I just want to show you how to do it for your case. And when you've done that, that's literally it. You can then go ahead and go to pages, and then again, go to the home page, and as you can see, the logo has now been changed. So that's literally all you have to do. Just keep on clicking on this logo until you come into the block where you can actually change it like that by clicking choose image. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.